To prepare the unit for wall mounting, first remove the VISA cover, the rear cover, and the stand. There are two trim covers secured to the middle frame above the optical drive. The trim covers will fill in the gaps left in the outer trim, which were created by removing the stand. Remove the screws securing each trim cover to the middle frame, and pull off both trim covers. The trim covers are labeled 1 and 2, which correspond to stencils on either side of the unit near the gaps in the trim. Each trim cover also has a tab on the bottom that fits into a slot on the outer trim. To install the trim covers, align the tab of the trim cover marked 1 over its slot on the outer trim and slide the trim cover down until secure. Repeat with the second trim cover. Replace the rear cover. The system is now ready to install a VISA wall mount according to the manufacturer's instructions.